guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got these mini twists. Pretty cute. First time doing mini twists on like my natural hair, so yeah, I just really wanted to try this out. And yeah, I'm going to stop talking, just get right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching. All right, so to start off my mini twist that I'm about to do, I'm going to use a moisturizer. I'm just going to use up the last of this Shea Moisture Make It Last Wash and Go Primer. And then I'm going to use, okay, so this is actually just the last little bit of this oil. And I just put olive oil in it. So this is pretty much mostly extra virgin olive oil in here. I just really like this container, and I like how it has this pour nozzle. It makes it very easy and convenient to work with. So this is pretty much olive oil, any kind of oil of your choice, just to lock in the moisture. And then I'm going to use this mousse for hold, and just to tame it, just to tame my hair and make it neat. You can use a gel if you want to, but I've been really liking working with mousse lately, so I'm going to use mousse. My hair is freshly washed and detangled, and I've had it sort of drying for, I don't know, about an hour or so. Yeah, so I've had it like drying for about an hour or so. So yeah, I'm just gonna start to section off my hair, put the product in it, and twist away. All right, so my hair is parted off pretty well for the most part. It's pretty good, not bad. So I'm going to unravel these twists and then apply my product. So now I applied my moisturizer. Now I'm gonna go in with some oil to lock in that moisture. So now that my hair is totally moisturized and oiled, I'm going to start sectioning off my hair. So I'm gonna get a little pump of this mousse. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to part my hair. And then I'm just going to twist. I have a little bit of oil on my fingertips that I'm gonna use just to twist the last bit of my hair. So this section right here is a little dry, so I just have this ball of water, and I'm just gonna spray a little bit in my hand. Just sort of add a little more moisture to this section so it's easier to work with. I don't want it soaking wet, I just want it a little damp. All right, so I just let my hair chill for a little bit to lay my edges and sort of stretch my twists out. So edges are laid, and I just sort of did 2 twists on each side just to sort of stretch my hair out. My hair is a little damp still, which is fine. But I just wanted to add a little bit of length to my twist. So my hair is very fine, so these twists aren't as big as I wish they were, but it's okay, it's okay. So this is what my hair is looking like. And it's cute. I do like them, but I'm definitely gonna play around with like different styles. But I mean, I do like these twists. Again, like if I had my way, which, you know, it's not gonna happen, but if my hair was just, I had thicker hair, I would love these twists even more. But it's all right, I'm gonna embrace what God gave me. So I definitely want to play with like different styles and ways to style these twists. So I'm definitely going to, you know, play around with that and have some fun with that. So yeah, you guys, these are my twists, my little mini twists. So yeah, I'll just be having fun with these next few days. Something new. I've never done these before, so pretty cool. And this was pretty easy. I didn't time how long it took me, but I would say it took me about 2 hours, and that's not that long. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try and like do some different styles with these twists and come back on here and record them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all next time. Bye.